So this is a tutorial on how to setting up Rainmeter. So firstly open Firefox and then Google, and in the Google search bar type Rainmeter, then do a Google search, and after the click on the first link that appears, that is rainmeter.net, and after the site opens you could see this is a Rainmeter main site, and then you can see in the left hand side the Rainmeter download link, Rainmeter 2.0, and then click on it, and then a pop-up appears on the right hand side as you can see, and then save the file. Then go to the downloaded file and just run the setup, Rainmeter 2.0, then click on run, and then just install the setup. As I have already installed the setup, I need not to, but you could do it. So now run the Rainmeter 2.0. You can go to this Windows search and then type Rainmeter and then select the Rainmeter on the top. Then the Rainmeter loads. Now this is the default, that is the basic theme of Rainmeter. It is quite like light theme, but we'll from the side we could download the more better and advanced themes that have great looks. So I'll be using the third site, that is rainmeter.divineart.com. You could also, I just copied it and now I'll be pasting the URL tab, and this is the site. On the right hand side, as you can see, there are the different themes. You could click on any of them and download. There's an option for downloading. These are all really cool themes. So but I'll be downloading another theme that's named Omnimo, as you can see. So you could even see the URL for visiting, or either you can go to the Google site and then in the search box type Omnimo. The spelling is OMNIMO, Omnimo. Then in the first result, click on the first result that appears. That is a DivineArt link, the site that I told earlier. Then this is the main site of Omnimo, and you can see this is a very cool theme. It has many byte kits that you can place on the desktop, including of many software. So on the right hand side you can see the download link and download the file. It's around 19 MB file, 18.4 MB file. It's a zip file. So download it, as I have already downloaded it. So run the zip file and just install the setup directly from the zip file without extracting it. Now click on the install button that appears after extracting and running the Rainmeter 4.0 setup, sorry, Omnimo 4.0 setup. Now the screen loads, and then set the settings, that is the Fahrenheit, temperature, 24-hour time, and desktop icons. So you could do it yourself. It's quite simple, and desktop icons turn on and off toggles between removing the desktop icons. Then you can choose a video resolution of the computer and then screen. After that it takes some time, and this is the theme that loads up. So now you can configure, like you can remove the upper task search close dock, and it looks quite cool. Now you can customize it. There is a button on the top, and by this you can customize. Uh, so you can make it arrow, glass, and rounded and center text. It's very easy to do directly. You can make the tabs like the Internet Explorer tab, arrow glass, and you can also change the colors from here only. And secondly, you can choose the panels like white gates, different white gates for your desktop. Like there is a Zune white gate, and there are some slideshows, Flickr, Facebook, Winamp, and other white gates. And so that's all, and these are some previews of my desktop that you can easily make using the Omnimo theme by just rearranging the white gates and changing the taskbar location and changing the desktop. So thank you for watching the video, and you can check out my channel for more videos.